In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Xero Projects. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger team, Xero Projects can be a powerful tool for tracking your time, costs, and project profitability. So let's dive in and explore how you can get started. First, head over to your Xero dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Projects tab. It's located in the main navigation menu, typically at the top of the page. Click on Projects to be taken to the Projects section of Xero, where you can see all your existing projects and create new ones. Next, you'll want to click on All Projects. This will show you a comprehensive list of any projects you may have already started or completed. From here, you have a bird's eye view of everything that's happening within your company regarding active and inactive projects. To start a new project, look for the New Project button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. Now that you're ready to create something new, click on Draft. This is an important step because it allows you to work on the project details without making them public or active immediately. It's like a sandbox where you can ensure everything's perfect before rolling it out company-wide. Let's find the contact associated with this project. In the draft page, you'll notice an option to Find Contact. Click this and a list will appear, showing all your current contacts. Select the appropriate contact for your project. If a contact is not yet in Xero, you'll need to add them to your contacts list before continuing. With the contact selected, it's time to give your project a name. Click on the project name field and type in a descriptive title for easy reference later. It could be a client's name, a specific task, or any other identifier you choose. Now, let's set some dates. You'll see fields for both the start and deadline dates. Clicking on these fields will bring up a calendar picker, making it easy to select your project timeline. It's always best to keep these realistic based on the project's scope and complexity. Under the Projects tab, there's an option labeled Calculate from Tasks and Estimated Expenses. Click on this to automatically populate estimates for your project's financials. This feature streamlines budgeting and lets you quickly understand potential costs associated with your tasks. If this project is for internal purposes, you might want to keep it private. However, for today's demonstration, let's go ahead and click Public. This setting allows anyone with permission to view the project details and status. Finally, click on Create to finalize your project setup. Once done, you'll see your project listed among your active projects, available for further additions and updates as needed. And that's it, a straightforward process to get you started with Xero Projects. Feel free to rewatch this video or explore more of Xero's features to maximize your project management efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy project planning!